If you're just getting into home espresso, you may feel more comfortable buying an affordable machine. You can enjoy an espresso and learn to use the steam wand for milk frothing without committing to a high-end and high-priced coffee maker. Choosing the best home espresso machine for your requirements and budget is no easy task.
Welcome to our Goizens YouTube channel. Subscribe now.
Hey guys! Welcome to our new video. Today we added review of the top best espresso machines for you use to make coffee. Our review team checked all coffee machines and added honest review of the top espresso machines. Number 5. Handheld Mini Portable Pressure Espresso Maker. Number 4. Royal Style Siphon Coffee Maker. Number 3. Semi-automatic steam type espresso. Number 2. Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine Maker. Number 1. Sonifer Espresso Electric Coffee Machine Foam Coffee Maker. details please have a look at description below.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe now for more videos.